Hello guys, welcome to my channel. That name is Current Affair. Today I will discuss 401 to 500 question of physics. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Let's start without wasting a time. Which of the following is a non-metal and remains liquid at a room temperature? Option A mercury, option B bromine, option C gallium, option D sodium. The answer is option number B brominium. Bromine. Let's find the next question. The speed of a light is a maximum in which medium? Option A water, option B air, option C diamond, yeah, option D vacuum. The answer is option number D, vacuum. Let's find the next question. Which law explains the relationship between current, voltage, or resistance? Option A, Newton law. Option B, Ohm law. Option C, Faraday law. Option D, Hooke law. The answer is option number B, Ohm law. Let's find the next question. Which type of a mirror is used in a vehicle as a rear view mirror? A concave mirror, plane mirror, convex mirror, या cylindrical mirror? The answer is option number C, concave convex mirror. Find the next question. SI unit of a force is A joule, B Newton, C watt, or D Pascal? The answer is option number B Newton. Next question. Which of the following is used to measure atmosphere pressure? Thermometer, hygrometer, barometer, या manometer? The answer is option number C, barometer. Let's find the next question. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. Who discovered X-ray? Option A, Röntgen, Newton, Rutherford, या Thomas? The answer is option number A, Röntgen. Next question. The power of a lens is measured in heritage, diopter, joule, या candela? The answer is option number B, diopter. Let's find the next question. Which of the following is a good conductor of electricity? Glass, copper, rubber, या wood? Let's find the answer. The answer is option number B, copper. And the next question. The unit of a frequency is joule, heritage, Newton, या Pascal? The answer is option number B, heritage. What next question? What is the SI unit of energy? Watt, joule, Newton, या calorie? The answer is option number B, joule. The next question. Who discovered the electron? Rutherford, J. J. Thomas, Niels Bohr, या Dalton? The answer is option number B, J. J. Thomas. Let's find the next question. Next question. Which type of a lens is used to in a simple microscope? Convex lens, concave lens, cylindrical lens, या plano convex lens? The answer is option number B, convex lens. Let's find the next question. The next question is, which of the following has the least mass? Proton, neutron, electron, या atom, या atom? The answer is option number C, electron. Let's find the next question. Next question. Which metal is used in making filament of electric bulb? Copper, tungsten, silver, या aluminum? The answer is option number B, tungsten. Let's find the next question. Which gas is filled in electric bulb? Oxygen, nitrogen, helium, या argon? So guys, the answer is option number D, argon. Let's find the next question. Question. Which device convert mechanical energy into electric energy? Generator, motor, transformer, या dynamo? The answer is option number A, generator. The next question. The ozone layer protects us from X-ray, UV rays, या infrareds, या visual light. So guys, the answer is option number B, UV rays. Let's find the next question. Find the next question. Which of the following has the highest frequency? Radio waves, infrared rays, gamma rays, या microwaves? The answer is option number C, gamma rays. Question. The next question is, which instrument is used to measure current? Voltmeter, ammeter, ohmmeter, या galvanometer? The answer is option number B, ammeter. Let's find the next question. The next question. Which of the following is a unit of electric charge? Ampere, coulomb, volt, या voltage, या ohm? The answer is option number B, coulomb. Question. Sound travel fast in air, water, steel, या vacuum? The answer is option number C, steel. Let's find the next question. Who discovered the neutron? Rutherford, J.J. Thomas, James Chadwick, या Niels Bohr? The answer is option number C, James Chadwick. Let's find the next question. The next question. Which mirror is used by the dentist? Plane mirror, convex mirror, concave mirror, या cylindrical mirror? The answer is option number C, concave mirror. Next question is, the unit of a pressure is Pascal, Joule, Newton, या watt? The answer is option number A, Pascal. Let's find the next question. Next question. Which of the following is a vector quantity? Speed, mass, velocity, या energy? The answer is option number C, velocity. Let's find the next question. Phenomenon. Explain the blue color of the sky. Reflection, refraction, dispersion, या scratching of light? The answer is option number D, scratching of light. Let's find the next question. And the next question. What is the speed of a sound in air at 20 degrees Celsius? 220 meter by second, 343 by second, meter by second, 300 meter by second, या 400 meter by second? What is the answer? The answer is option number B, 343 meter by second. Let's find the next question. The phenomenon of a bending of a light when it passes from the one medium to another is called reflection, refraction, diffraction, या dispersion? The answer is option number B, refraction. Let's find the next question. Question is, the force of a attraction between two masses is given by the Newton first law, Newton second law, law of gravitation, या law of Rita? The answer is option number C, law of gravitation. Let's find the next question. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. The SI unit of a power is watt, joule, Newton, या Pascal? The answer is option number A, watt. Let's find the next question. Question. The unit of a resistance is ohm, ampere, volt, या coulomb? The answer is option number A, ohm. Let's find the next question. Which of the following is not a renewable source of energy? Solar energy, wind energy, coal, या hydropower? The answer is option number C, coal. Let's find the next question. The unit of work is joule, watt, Newton, या Pascal. The answer is option number A, joule. Let's find the next question. The next question is which instrument is used to measure pressure of gases? Ammeter, barometer, manometer, या hygrometer. The answer is option number C, manometer. Let's find the next question. The next question, which of the following has no mass and no change? Proton, electron, photon, या neutron. The answer is option number C, photon. Let's find the next question. Next question, which of the following is not a conductor of electricity? Copper, plastic, aluminum, या silver. The answer is option number C, plastic. Let's find the next question. The next question is the SI unit of a frequency is heritage, Newton, joule, या watt. The answer is option number A, heritage. Let's find the next question. Let's find the next question. The chemical effect of electricity current is electromagnet, electroplating, transformer, या electric fan. The answer is option number B, electroplating. Let's find the next question. Question, which of the following is used to measure humidity? Barometer, hygrometer, thermometer, या pyrometer. The answer is option number B, hygrometer. Let's find the next question. Next question. The unit of electric potential difference is ohm, volt, ampere, या watt. The answer is option number B, volt. Let's find the next question. The force that opposes the motion of an object through air is called friction, drag, या thrust. The answer is option number B, drag. Let's find the next question. The next question is which type of mirror is used in a vehicle as a rear view mirror? The option is plane, convex, concave, cylindrical. The answer is option number B, convex mirror. Which type of energy is powered by the moving body? Potential energy, kinetic energy, thermal energy, या chemical energy. The answer is option number B, kinetic energy. Let's find the next question. The question number is 445. The question is which type of a current is supplied to our home? Direct current, या alternating current, static current, या constant current. The answer is option number B, alternating current. And the next question, which law states that current is directly proportional to potential difference? Ohm law, Newton law, Coulomb law, या Bernoulli law. The answer is option number A, Ohm law. Let's find the next question. The next question is which of the following device convert should be energy to electric energy? Loudspeaker, microphone, generator, या motor. The answer is option number B, microphone. Let's find the next question. Which type of a wave require a medium for propagation? Light wave, radio wave, sound wave, X-ray. The answer is option number C, sound wave. Let's find the next question. The next question, which physical quantity remain unchanged during the refraction of a light? Speed, frequency, wavelength, या direction. The answer is option number B, frequency. Let's find the next question. Let's find the next question. The SI unit of a force is joule, watt, Newton, या Pascal? The answer is option number C, Newton. Which of the following is a good conductor of electricity? Wood, rubber, copper, या plastic? The answer is option number C, copper. Let's find the next question. Let's find the next question. Which of the following travel the highest speed in vacuum? Sound, light, air, या water waves? The answer is option number B, light. Let's find the next question. The process of coating a metal with a zinc is called galvanization, electroplating, rusting, या alloying? The answer is option number A, galvanization. Question. Which law explains the relationship between force, mass, and acceleration? Newton first law, Newton second law, Newton third law, law of gravitation. The answer is option number B, Newton's second law. Next question. Which type of a lens is used to magnifying glass? Convex lens, concave lens, cylindrical lens, या plane lens? The answer is option number B, convex lens. Next question. The ability of a body to resist charge change it in its state of motion is called monument, inertia, force, energy. The answer is option number B, inertia. Next question. The next question is the device used to convert mechanical energy into electric energy. Motor, generator, transformer, या battery? The answer is option number B, generator. Let's find the next question. Next question. Which type of a mirror is used by the dentist to see enlarged image of a teeth? Plane mirror, concave mirror, convex mirror, cylindrical mirror? The answer is option number B, concave mirror. Let's find the next question. The next question. The SI unit of a pressure is watt, Pascal, joule, या Newton? The answer is option number B, Pascal. Let's find the next question. The next question is which of the following is a vector quantity? Speed, distance, velocity, या work? The answer is option number C, velocity. Let's find the next question. Find the next question. Which of the following is measured in decibel? Frequency, intensity of a sound, pitch, या velocity of a sound? The answer is option number B, intensity of a sound. Let's find the next question. Before we move, please like and subscribe my channel. Let's find the next question. The next question is the sound waves control travel through solid, liquid, vacuum, या gases? The answer is option number C, vacuum. Question. Which color of the light diffracts the most in the prism? Red, green, blue, या violet? The answer is option number D, violet. Let's find the next question. The property of a virtue of a which of a body rectum its own original shape after a deformation is B, elastic. Answer is option number B, elastic. Which instrument is used to measure the electropotential difference? Ammeter, voltmeter, galvanometer, ohm meter? The answer is option number B, voltmeter. Let's find the next question. The electromagnetic waves having the longest wavelength are gamma ray, X-ray, radio waves, infrared? The answer is option number C, radio waves. Next question. The gravitational force acts on a body away from the earth toward the center of the earth in the upward direction, in the circular direction. The answer is option number B, towards the center of a earth. Let's find the next question. Next question is The which type of current is produced by the battery? Alternating current, direct current, both AC and DC, yeah, pull pulsating current. The answer is option number B, direct current. Let's find the next question. The next question is the filament of a electric bulb is made of copper, aluminum, tungsten, yeah, iron. The answer is option number C, tungsten. Let's find the next question. The purest form of a carbon is coal, graphite, diamond, yeah, charcoal. The answer is option number C, diamond. Let's find the next question. The next question, which of the following planet has the highest surface gravity? Earth, Jupiter, Mars, Venus. The answer is option number B, Jupiter. Let's find the next question. The next question, the echo is heard when a reflected sound reaches the ear after 0.01 second, 0.1 second, 0.2 second, or 1 second. The answer is option number B, 0.1 second. Let's find the next question. The next question is the change of a frequency of a sound due to relative motion of sound and observe is called reflection, refraction, Doppler effect, yeah, diffraction. The answer is option number C, Doppler effect. Let's find the next question. The next question is the electric current is meant measured in ampere, volt, ohm, yeah, watt. The answer is option number A, ampere. Let's find the next question. The next question is the soundness of the loudness of the sound depend upon altitude, frequency, speed, yeah, wavelength. The answer is option number A, F, amplitude. Amplitude. The next question is the which physics quantity is considered in elastic coordination? Energy only, momentum only, both energy and momentum only, yeah, none. The answer is option number C, both energy and monument. Yeah, momentum. Which of the following device is used to store electric energy? Resistor, inductor, capacitor, या transformer. The answer is option number C, capacitor. The working principle of a rocket is based on Newton's first law, Newton's second law, Newton's third law, a law of gravitation. The answer is option number C, Newton's third law. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon to get first update. Next question. The chemical used in a simple electric cell is hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, या acetic acid. The answer is option number B, sulfuric acid. Next question. The unit of a magnetic field strength is Tesla, Weber, Henry, या Ampere. The answer is option number A, Tesla. Let's find the next question. The next question is which of the following is an example of electromagnetic wave? Sound wave, water wave, light wave, या semi seismic wave. The answer is option number C, light wave. Let's find the next question. The fuse wire is made of high resistance material, low resistance material, superconductor, या magnetic material. The answer is option number A, high resistance material. Let's find the next question. The next question is, which mirror is used in highlight of vehicle? Plane mirror, convex mirror, concave mirror, या parabolic mirror? The answer is option number C, concave mirror. Let's find the next question. The motion of a planet around the sun is circular, elliptical, linear, random. The answer is option number B, elliptical. Which device convert electric energy into mechanical energy? Motor, generator, transformer, या cell? Answer is option number A, motor. Which radiation has the highest energy? Infrared ray, X-ray, gamma ray, या ultraviolet ray? The answer is option number C, gamma rays. And the next question, the weight of a body is maximum at poles, equator, center of the earth, या tropics? The answer is option number A, poles. Let's find the next question. Question, the which physics quantity is measured in a Henry? Residence, capacitance, inductance, या magnetic flux? The answer is option number C, inductance. Let's find the next question. The next question is, the unit of a power in electric system is joule, Newton, watt, ohm? The answer is option number C, watt. Find the next question. Which of the following waves is used in radar? Radio waves, microwaves, infrared waves, या X-ray? The answer is option number B, microwaves. Let's find the next question. The next question is, the phenomenon explain why sky appear blue. Reflection, refraction, dispersion, या scatteration? The answer is option number D, scatteration. Let's find the next question. The working principle of a transformer is multi-indication, self-indication, Ohm law, या Coulomb's law? The answer is option number A, mutual induction. Mutual induction. The phenomenon of a bending of a light around the opticals is reflection, refraction, diffraction, या dispersion? The answer is option number C, diffraction. Let's find the next question. Question is 499. Find the next question. The next question is, which of the following has the maximum density? Ice, water, iron, या osmium? Osmium. The answer is option number D, osmium. Osmium. Let's find the next question. The escape velocity from the Earth is approximately 5 kilometer by second, 8 kilometer by second, 11.2 kilometer by second या 15 kilometer by second. The answer is option number C, 11.2 kilometer by second. Thank you for watching and supporting me. Thank you very much.